there's a China guy, he came out here. He told one of our, he told the guy that delivers the petrol that he has friends in the high government, so he doesn't have to pay because he owes them 11 million, and he's telling the guy that he has friends in government, so he doesn't have to pay him.
One driver who supplies diesel to the company is allegedly owed over $11 million.
Truckmen have been here over 1 month now. They have been delivering mall, they have been delivering stone to do the Chinese contractors' work, and we haven't gotten any pay. We have a gas oil person who has been delivering gas oil to them over here. They have not paid him. They have owed him over $11 million. And we, the truckers, are here. Some of our truckers, they are owed $1 million, some $800,000.